So let's just dig in here. Let's see what we got on here. As you can see, I have not done anything except put tape over the places. Aha!
This channel is made possible in part by Morning Fame, smarter analytics to simplify YouTube growth. Use the link on your screen right now to get your first month free. And by TubeBuddy, your best friend on the road to YouTube success. Use the affiliate link on your screen to sign up today.
Greetings, programs. Atari here, you there, and this is the PSIVEN Helping Hands third hand workbench with LED magnifier that I just picked up from the place with the smiling face, Mr. Bezos's Amazon.com. Oh look, it comes with a little thing. That wasn't there before. Oh, I'll put that in the collection. So here it is. This is just the helping hands here. Let's just take it out. There's little arms, and you got a little magnifying glass, and little feetsies, and it's all kind of packaged all horribly so that I have to take everything, all the little bits out first to get to the heavy bit underneath. But that's okay, because we're just going to put this thing together and see how it works just right off the bat, because I need a new pair of helping hands because mine are falling apart. I don't even know where they are right now, otherwise I would show you. So first off, first impressions, these are nice, nice stiff arms right there. That's good. That's good. Nice beefy, good weight to them too. I got our feetsies. This has 5 feet. It is this little pentagram type model. Nice heavy base. Good. This is really good. This is way better than my current Harbor Freight helping hands, the hazard fraught helping hands, which help you do nothing except burn yourself with a soldering iron, and I don't want that to fall. There you go. So that's there in the floor instructions. I don't need those. Let's see here. So we got this guy, big old heavy guy, and a feetsies, and looks like some heat shrink or something that comes with them, but we'll see if we need that later. I guess really all I gotta do is put the feetsies into the appropriate holes on this base here. There. And then we get our little helping hands out. I can't remember if these are all the same size or if they're like 2 and 2. So let's see, I think they're 2, yeah, they're 2 and 2, obviously. So I got 2 little short ones and 2 big long ones. And the big long ones go in the back. They just screw in. And I think it all goes finger tight because there aren't any little spots for, oh, there is a screw. Duh. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? And I'm dropping things all over the place. So maybe I was going just a little fast there. Whatever. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes we just go a little too fast and, you know, we get caught up in the excitement of the moment and we just need to take a step back and regroup. There we go. There's one of them. So I'm going to put the 2 tall ones here in the back. Put the 2 shorter ones in the front in just a moment. And then this is kind of cool, the little magnifying glass, that will go right there on top. So it'll be up in front of the camera and getting in the way of every shot. Because that's how we roll here at AirborneSurfer Productions. 91-120 Studios. That's not official yet. We're not officially a studio yet. We're good. But yeah, this was like 40 bucks on Amazon. And so far so good. It's like immediately 10 million times better than my stupid $5 Harbor Freight or $10 Harbor Freight one. So if you are into electronics and you are a hobbyist, or even if you're not a hobbyist, even if you're like, you know, production, you know, of course, if you're production, you're going to have your own opinions of things, and that's fine. You don't have to take my word for it. I'm telling you. I am absolutely telling you. You get yourself one of these, and your work will then become so much easier. Like, I'm looking at this thing and I'm already like, these are like solid. They are very solid, actually. I got this little guy that just tamps down. But yeah. Wrong way. Yeah, I mean, we're talking about, there's a reason people pay $40 for these things. And I was always skeptical. I was like, hey, I don't need that. I just need a little doodad, something or other. That's not going in right. Why is that not going in right? Is it not in there all the way? Looks like it's rounded off more. Oh dear, that's not good. That's not a good thing. I call Martha Stewart. Oh, that's why it wasn't in all the way. Ah. It's a good thing. Okay. There's that. And then one more. Make sure that screw is all the way. There it is, all the way in. And I'll move the gooseneck that way. Just I was gonna. Oh, I need helping hands to assemble my helping hands. Oh dear. This seemed like a better idea in my head than it's ending up, so. Oh well. Oh well. There it goes. Now it's going. Now we're good. Alright. There we go. There. Now. Now we got some helping hands. It's got this nice little, oh, you know what? I need to move that just ever so slightly. Because it's USB. My USB plug is actually over here on this side of the bench. So I want to make the shortest distance, or just put it down the top. Let's just put it down the top. That's fine. That'll be fine. Put it down the middle. If I can, you know, hold it in place long enough. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right, so that's the assembly. That didn't take long. And wasn't too consternating. So we got plenty of room in here, looks like, for, you know, nice big boards. We can kind of move these guys around, and, you know, they spring back a little bit, but that's okay. Once there's some tension in between there, when they're on a board, I think that'll be fine. So, and then we got this nice gooseneck. Better a gooseneck than a goose step. Ah! Little magnifier right there. It's got a nice ring of LEDs, as you can see. Right there. So nice, even, hopefully, even light. It's all COB, chip on board. Alright. So that's it. And, you know, pretty, oh yeah, that's really good magnification right there. I think it's a 3x magnifier on there. That's nice. That's, I can actually, I can actually, ooh, oh, binocular vision doesn't work too well, but there it is. Oh, I got it resolved. Oh yeah, I can see all that really well. Nice, nice, nice. I can actually read. I can actually read the numbers on these things. That's fantastic. All right, I'm happy with this purchase. So far, so good. So you'll see this in more videos from now on because I'll be using this instead of the janky, stupid, hazard fraught helping hands that I was using for a while. I just got to where I couldn't use them anymore. So here it is. This is the PSIVEN Helping Hands set. I'll put a link in the doobly-doo. You can pick it up on Amazon and see for yourself. It is worth it. Absolutely. I already know it's worth it. Having not even really properly used it yet, but this is just fan-freaking-tastic. Let me get this guy up out of the way, and we'll do, yeah, everything is nice and stiff. I like that. I haven't put the little bumpers on there. I don't know if I will put the little bumpers on there, but you know, we'll see. We will see how it goes. That needs to tighten down a little bit. Oh yeah, this is fantastic. This is really fantastic. I can deal with this. All right, we're good. 40 bucks well spent. Now, of course, if you want to see more reviews like this, of course, build videos and how-tos and reviews and everything like that, go ahead, click that little subscribe button down there. Behind the scenes over here on the social media, over here is a video that YouTube probably thinks you'll enjoy. And of course, down here is a newsletter. Go ahead and sign up for that and get in touch with everything that's going on here at the shop. My name is Atari. Until next time, tally ho, y'all.